Eh? You are coming.
Here.
Now you are here, you are not coming again.
I'm coming.
I wonder the type of coming you are coming.
I'm sorry.
Where is the water? Oh, give me. My friend, kneel down, give me this water. Is it everything I will be telling you with my mouth? It's only in bed that you know everything. Give me. Okay, you are looking. Come on, leave this place. Where is this woman? This woman.
Papa Ojo, who are you calling?
My wife, of course.
Your wife.
Of course.
And you are calling her this woman.
Is she not a woman?
At this era, we don't call women that way. Call them tactically.
Scope etenya.
When I say tactical names, I mean sweet names. Like sweetheart, honey pie, you know?
My wife is not cheap. She's expensive. I will call her heavy names, expensive names. Like bag of meat, bag of onion, refrigerator, bag of beans, bag of rice, Ferrari, Bugatti, Total, all those buildings, heavy buildings.
Your wife.
Wait, are you here to discuss about my wife or you are here to discuss something with me? Don't angry me. Eh? She's even here. Eh? What is your problem? My friend, don't angry me. If you don't take time now, I will say we close to catch this hand. Why are you kneeling down? Because you want to give me water. Before you know, people will not say I'm wickeding you in this house. You are for me, you are good now. Come on, stand up and give me this thing. Give me. I'm not even drinking again. Take your water and go inside. Go with your water. And you do and go home. Very good. Just be going. Don't even come bother to talk. I cannot go and bite my tongue because of you. Don't even bother to come back.